What is the result of the following indefinite integral? Without doing any calculations, I want somebody to tell me what the answer is. Okay, you got D. What are you saying? Now, why are you saying A? Because it has a natural log. We're taking the integral of 1 over x. That's a natural log. But just to do our diligence, we have the integral of 15 times x to the 4th, so that's x to the 5th over 5, 3x to the 5th, minus 8, x to the 4th over 4, that's that, natural log, 7x, plus the arbitrary constant of integration.
Hey YouTube, thanks for watching. Click below and subscribe.